저기 이거네. Baik.
Good morning, everyone. So we are Jisong Agro Producer Company. So we are the leading agro producer company in ginger production and processing. So
non là son cái claim akam là bằng cái thép tan akam lo cái people lo ma sai ki thek chot itum sai ki wen hormu paman chot lan wetle ke chokali ili tu masai ki ke pemana hormu ke jor kelang labangso chojor cholang labangso yongsi tum thek the chini ne pulo tangte ajir kiting claim une dedi apot si non lapuson asai tourism department la pen agriculture department tum chelang pen si non son isi exhibition lo expo lo kadu kowe kapre ka det ambassador kapre ka det tax reset la bangso tumpan ke hang pen iltum kar biang long along la son hormu hotar iltum da katuki pen kapaman thek la bangso kapaklang hutsi kejor kenam chojor cholang lahai alam dame bidi sore long ponpo jethan chimum pon longpo itum ke pemano hormu itum ka kason se hormu jongsi jor thek lang thek the pir the dang la abojar long itum jongsi lanun thek the pulutang te iliduma katiki ke lak de ji apot si la so asai government atumpen initiative en ponlo la so bange theta na kamlo government Tegulong lo, EMCM, MLA, MP ta ke manatum do lo, seta ilitum chutuki chupujo aso namu sok amchat kali det si dak muni de kenang sot ateng pen itum kar biang long ar luta tiki pen ke long hormu du pen da bangke bang ason pene dowai atang inking ke da dowai tang ho pene ho or nam pen si ahor ki piben si kapat het ho pulason kali pin ben si kepeman.
Sir, tell us more about the Ginger Festival, which is being held in Carbino for the first time, and after seeing all the production, what would you like to say?
This festival is really a surprise for me. Of course, I was very keen to come to Assam for the first time since I started my job in India 3 months ago. Okay. But and I wanted to see how the different districts and regions in Assam feel, how do they live, how do they work, and how do they do, you know. Okay. And this impression now that I got in the first hours of this festival are really great, because the district is so rich with products and also so well and organically made that has a big potential for the export and for it will bring well-being to the people of the region, I guess, and this is the most important.
Okay, and tell us more about the international buyers if they see the productions especially from the Caribbean.
How do we see products from, let's say, other parts of the world? They are very interesting for our markets, but of course, you know, it's not just a product that you have, but you need then to work on marketing, promotion, and also to look how are the trade barriers maybe that stops you from larger activity, but this is all to be done, and people who are in trade negotiations will always have to take into account the interests of the regions like Karbi Anglong or Assam state as well, not only the most, how to say, well known.
For how many days you are going to stay in Karbi Anglong?
I will stay here for 3 days, and I guess I will get a very good glimpse into the life and the activity of this region, and I'm very glad that I do this trip.
Thank you so much for talking to us, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
কাৰ্বি আংলং অট'নমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ তৰফৰ পৰা টুৰিজিম আৰু এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট লগ হৈ আজি যিটো ফেষ্টিভেল পাতিছে, প্ৰথমবাৰৰ কাৰণে পাতিছে জিঞ্জাৰ ফেষ্টিভেল। আমি সকলোৱে জানো যে কাৰ্বি আংলং বিখ্যাত আদা প্ৰডাকশ্যনৰ কাৰণে, আৰু আমাৰ ইয়াত খেতিয়কসকলে অৰ্গেনিক আদা প্ৰডিউচ কৰে, কিন্তু সেই ধৰণেৰে যিটো মাৰ্কেট পাব লাগে তেনেকুৱা মাৰ্কেট নাপায়, যাৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ খেতিয়কসকলে যিটো পাব লগা মূল্য সেই মূল্যৰ পৰা বঞ্চিত হয়। আৰু এটা সুন্দৰ আমাৰ পৰ্যটকৰ কাৰণেও ইমান এখন সুন্দৰ ঠাই, গতিকে এই জিঞ্জাৰ ফেষ্টিভেল পাতি এগ্ৰ' টুৰিজিম যাতে বঢ়াব পাৰে, পৰ্যটকসকল ইয়াত আহে, এইখন ঠাই চাই কেনেকৈ আদা প্ৰডাকশ্যন হয়, কেনেকৈ অৰ্গেনিক আদা প্ৰডাকশ্যন হয়, গোটেই প্ৰচেছটো গম পায়। আৰু আজিকালি ইক' টুৰিজিমৰ খুব ডিমাণ্ড, মানুহে আচলতে প্ৰকৃতিৰ মাজত থাকিব বিচাৰে, প্ৰকৃতিক বিচাৰি যায়, গতিকে এই জিঞ্জাৰ ফেষ্টিভেলৰ যোগেদি তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ পৰ্যটকক আকৰ্ষণ কৰাৰ কাৰণে এই উদ্যোগটো লৈছে। আৰু লগতে কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ যিসকল খেতিয়ক, বিশেষকৈ আদা খেতিয়ক বা আমাৰ বাকী যিখিনি আমাৰ প্ৰডিউচ ইয়াত হয়, ধৰি লওক হেণ্ডিক্ৰাফ্ট, হেণ্ডলুম প্ৰডাক্ট আৰু বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ চাউল, ব্লেক ৰাইচ দেখিছোঁ, হালধি, এই ধৰণৰ বস্তুখিনি যাতে বজাৰখন পায়, এই বজাৰ আৰু খেতিয়কক একেলগ কৰাৰ উদ্দেশ্যে আৰু পৰ্যটকক আকৰ্ষণ কৰাৰ উদ্দেশ্যে আজি এই অনুষ্ঠানটো পাতিছে। মানুহৰ ৰেছপন্স ভালেই দেখিছোঁ, আৰু এইটোৰ বিষয়ে যদি প্ৰচাৰ হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে কাৰ্বি আংলং এটা চেণ্টাৰ ষ্টেজত আহিব, আৰু ইয়াৰ খেতিয়কসকল উপকৃত হ'ব আৰু ইয়াৰ অৰ্থনীতি উপকৃত হ'ব।
Panjang langsung ben.
Pipi lo pini nang tu na dang na cepak lang nun ke?
Nilitum ke la ilitum karbi akai tum kosonsi kecing pen hon kapaman ma pen la sohon mandet pen ko pipi apinding sumpot si kacetak ma lahai lo supin so pinding soarlo pinding la pente ilitum pelim sitame soarlo pelim do supin so pelim do apen ke soarlo tum ke lalo pini wam kok lapen ke seleng apen jirik haku ke soarlo tum pakor janglo pulute ilitum ke choy ke avedelo sahola suhut ke la jirik si cipan po ciper po la sonlo apen ke sarpi ilitum sarpi ru tum ke pici pangwar po angke lason pici koko lason si ilitum apindeng lo lake ngapen ke laso pinia bangke lapulo tula ipo mo intulo pote lockdown po karipen angke wan po laso atula ke arnitedun po angke lala michongkret po isido ilitum la amu ki hek ipor he amu la hini akai bongsi pu paparting po iria ar epen pu ni dun poho parting po ke hala amu bangke pu inat klopo atula bangke hapuan tan klopo la suatu laba ako ani te dun si bathili sopen liso pulo la phanke liso pen theng si ako bailok po la thubong abeng hedi la pen koi po anke hola tarso la so tarso ta tar thui po la so tarso pen pan citar thui po la pan ke anke
Penangan abari mahormu theklong lasi nang odong penang paklang unthak nang thanonik tha arumini puang na kopi londe lage
o la ke kinelo choi hong thor lo
hako choi igludi
choi iglo hako choi iglo la ke la son thot si choi ang tadu choi ang bang kinil tum wan thek thedel lo o la bangke rikong mang er lo lake hako rikong lake kenelo hon ki pen se ke tha hon ki la ana ki jeng ki phir so misin pen anda so sejo hako sarpia tum ki jeng ningkan pharo so se apelo la ke lake oh lake rikong manger lake rikong bermum lo taho bang ipi dum ke than nasi la hai hello ipusar dum apindeng lo hako ke jolan anak ding ta ding kan athema lake awam da sikok nangji pu da
sikok to nang paklang tha
li thek the lapu he lapu na ta do ke lapu ta do
oh la lo de hako karbi tum
And now we'll move forward to the official beginning of the
Raso rikong laki rikong
guests have arrived from near far to
rikong wet botlo de hako rikong wet botlo
ke la son se ke chung thang ma
oh hako rikong lo lapu
so for that first
ke hako ante labange
honorable chief
lake konjari lo lake tula pen se ka pamana hon lo mane la jo hola che hon ki pen pamana hon lo la bake hon ki pen lo hola so nang pita hala oh la lokom koronga hulo lake hola ki thiliang pinone arbuta lokom korong ahu lokom korong poke la hello jujun uleli tum ken he la so hu pen si itum ke kenelo ni chep dam po tok po angke nini bak arnim po hedi tok dete ubla he angke arnim po angke la so color sona color dolo pute jo la hon kipen arnim po de angke aku hola pini hala tula pen
also may I take this privilege
ante labangke
oh lake pesar pilo
lage hako pesar pilo de
lage pesar pilo la pe konjari lo
lage pilo
lage
sibu arbo lo yo sibu arbo
nodal officer
la so arbo pensila pini
color oh la pinya color phalo lalo
also may I please take this opportunity to invite Srimati Bobita Sarma a renowned filmmaker
sibu ke jok ahon pensil ta
sibu ke jok ahon pensil la so wam ko selam lo
la ana ki ik lo jo
lage haku wam ko
lo
also may I please
yo lage
invite
haku wam ko lo de inkia hom ben
la si amen anta di litum ke inkia hom puji ania keng puji la hayam mang anta he la mang anta lo lu jam mang puji inkia hala
sotar phangi pilo pupo la sotar phangi pilo pupo
also may I please take this opportunity to
hanji tar thui
la panchi tar thui bulo la phangke la hai he tu la ki thui ye phan lo
May please request the Department of
Ladak si bibi po di.
Agriculture
Oh.
our guests.
Nahok pare la son bitap telo ladak si bipo.
A basket full of
Anke lake hon lam lo. La tum jeng del te la pu la dak hon akhot bonai po.
Churupa lo pi nang thanun thekapot. Ai ta. Ai.
To India, we are profoundly honored to have you with us today. Your presence brings a global dimension our local harvest. In our gathering, we have from the Assam government, Commissioner IPS Dikonto Bora, and in our midst we have Advisor to CEM, Mr. Elvin Teron, and Advisor to CEM, Mr. Khorsing Teron. From Guwahati, we have a guest, an eminent filmmaker, Mrs. Bobita Sharma and his family, and from the agriculture nodal officers and the Department of Agriculture, and also my dear friends. Today, we have a very special day for us. Whole year we have been planning for this Ginger Festival under the leadership of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang.
It's really an honor and a privilege to be here with you, together with my spouse. This is my very first visit from Delhi to the state of Assam since I started my job in September as ambassador of Slovenia to India. And I'm really glad that I'm here because my idea was to see how regions and how smaller communities in India and particularly in the northeastern state of Assam are doing. And now I see how rich activity, not only on production of ginger, but also other fresh, organic, perfect products are available here, and we will work together that the well-being of the people of the community, Karbi Anglong and others of course as well, will also be rising up with support that your products and your results will be valued in, for example, in export to another parts of the world, including my country, including Europe. And I'm really glad that I see how much activity you have and how enthusiastic people are. And of course, I cannot neglect how warm welcome we received here as not knowing each other before. And we are also, or myself, coming from a smaller country, 2 million people, 2 million population, and we know how to value the culture and how to defend and how to fight for the culture of us, because many, our neighbors who are bigger are, of course, always trying, to that their culture will prevail over yours. So we know how to feel and how to defend and how to do our culture, including business activity, and it's not just culture in very narrow sense, but in wider sense, which is important. So my impression is great, and I will do with all my efforts and all my heart for the people here to promote our relations. So thank you very much again for the invitation, and I'm glad, and I will spread the word about your festival and the people and the local community among my colleagues, diplomatic community, ambassadors in Delhi and elsewhere. Thank you.
It should not be catching with each other the pencil. And the strength also matters a lot here. So our women are doing their best.
Our original culture, yet we are beginning to step together with the rest of India with modernity. And Karbias are blessed with the best resources. We have the best land resources in Assam, the best mineral resources in Assam, the best water resources in Assam. And so this is an area that is now beginning to thrive. And so what a perfect way to begin today in the Ginger Festival, particularly with the attendance of His Excellency, the Ambassador from Slovenia, who is not bigger than us in many ways, just 2 million population, but they happen to be among the 28 highest per capita income in the world, which is very remarkable. And their average income, per capita income is somewhere 1,57,000 plus per month. And the annual income is somewhere around 29 lakhs per person per year. And for us, this is a big thing. A small country, yet competing with the rest of the world and managing to remain top 20 in per capita income, which is a big thing for us. And we are very, very happy, honored and delighted to receive you, sir, today. And we hope that we will be able to interact more. How we are aware that you are a rich country and you need a lot of workers, and we know that we are now trying to learn various skills that may be possible to go far into the outside world. We are beginning to develop our skills. And so, Karbi Anglong, we were at the throes of the sudden incoming of modern, what we call civilization, as I said. And last 10 years, we have had a very peaceful thing. Earlier than that, you know about the conditions here. It was not possible to hold a meeting like that. But now, that's why I say that under the present leadership, with peace prevailing in the hill areas of Assam, we are beginning to thrive. And I hope that all those dignitaries who are here today with us will encourage us, and we will also learn from you how we may go from strength to strength. Thank you for all your participation here, irrespective of which area you have come. But we are honored to have received you, and with the beginning, I think we are going to go further and further in the coming years.
Success. So, firstly, I would like to thank Your Excellency, the Ambassador of Slovenia to India. Then we have Sri Diganta Bora Sir, IPS, Commissioner and Secretary. Then we have Arup Sarma Sir, State Nodal Officer, MOVCD, from Director of Horticulture and Food Processing. Then we have Mrs. Babita Sarma, Distinguished Guest, Filmmaker. And from KVK, RARS. Then we have LDM Nabard, representative from KCS, and Chief Advisor to CEM, Mr. Elvin Teron, and all our distinguished buyers, farmers, and FPC.
And here it is pork strips. It is boiled. Like usually when you see other pies, you use like sauce and all these things like to make it red. But here it is pure, and here it is rice beer. You want to try rice beer local? Bantang glass ini. And here the rice beer has been put up here, and then she will assist you to put it up.
Oh, this is good, ma'am. You have to take this bamboo. Yeah.
Maybe you can
I can, yeah.
You can come and sit
on his behalf.
Oh, yes. Let them be there. Please make a...
We can be like this for the photos.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you want to hold this fish on the side?
Oh, yeah, give it to me. Yeah.
Really, right?
Good.
This is second. This is yeah. Naraman hat there. Can come.
This is barbecue or what? Barbecue.
Yeah. Yes.
Barbecue.
And
Really traditional
the
style.
head is cooked, I think.
Thank you.
Yeah. Film ah. Film. I think you can also make a video.
Ready?
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers!
Here we have the another saute. Both are traditional, but in here we're displaying all the ingredients which is used in order to make the food. So you may see here different things you can see. Here you have tasted it last night, right? The salad type for the starters. So she's the one who cooked it. Her name is Jorlene, and she...
Very nice cook. Very nice. Lean and
Lean and green.
Lean and green.
Yeah. So,
She's lean?
No. She is the one lean and green.
So this is the greens.
Yeah. And she have mixed this one here as a garnish.
Rosal seed powder.
One you call as a rosely, which you had last night, which was like sour in taste, a little bit burgundy type, right? So this is the thing.
So what is the green leaves?
Oh, Fidel had farm. Fidel had farm.
Photos on the map. Photo.
Nona bangke nilitum ke do bangko Vimla and associate de alang litum speciality bangke ginger pen jase met wine kastelam labang so production ahin pen sialang litum ladang stall lang cibidun lo labang so ginger festival along la silapu mem pen le labang so production ginger labang so production apothak jase met wine ko son sinal tum kastelam kona pesila so creativity idea ke bang pen la pen so production pen tum non ko ansi alige chilong pen this is for the first time such kind of ginger festival has been held in Diphu. So how it feels to be here and your journey, please.
I feel so great. Thank you for coming in. And then actually I got the idea when I used to go for outing. I used to see them during festivals and all in Shillong and all. I used to see them displaying all those. And I thought, why don't I do? Because we have lots of ginger here. Okay. And not only that, we have a variety of fruits like pears. It's available in my place in Jerikinding and up to Umkermi. And then also we have plums too. And why don't we just waste it away? That's why I got the idea that way, and I started this. And just it is a beginning. I'm coming for the first time with this.
Can you just tell us more about the process of
it? We just wash them, cut them into slices, and then we ferment it by giving yeast. And when it is already ready, then we distill it.
Okay.
After distillation, then only we bottle it up.
So how the feedback?
The feedback, I think so. Already I have sold 1 carton now.
Oh, really?
Before the inauguration.
So when did you started this?
Just this thing 3 months ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 3 months ago. This is the first the product that I'm bringing in here.
Are you doing it online or?
Not yet. Yeah, because so far certification I'm waiting for it, and then after that, yes, I will do online, and also I can give on bulk supply also.
Tell us more about this pudding. What kind of this one especially?
This is carambola. That means star fruit.
Yeah.
This is the ginger. Sugar ginger. And this is the ginger.
Oh wow. Jo lang tha like ginger wine lo. Di laso ginger wine ki jun kenali tum isi bangke organics lo. La pen isi bangke ladak pen ke nangli tum side effect avelo. La pen ke lale jun lo polo de nangli tum at least sing jam da meji. La pen isi health benefits ta doji pusinil tum matadam. La pen abodling ta design da lang me pick cute pick lang tha. So we are really proud of Vimla and Associate. Bangke litum thek ponlong lo lada ke turmeric mate thermid lo same thermid puta quality duo hanso ta quality duo black ginger pen chenglok dik black turmeric pen chenglok di ason do pick la pen jo la son la hai ke a production me pick ji jo men sopi mukhata me pick la pen la hai a hen lang hoi di la ke inglong pen ha lo colocasia ta hondi henna ka pulo di lage henna me pick jo se ladak lang litum ahem phu pen le litum chingki se than padu pon nang limenes
Nilimen Dilip Singh
hanse sahu labang so nalitum la organics pen hanso pen kopi pisi nalitum ka selam lo non mat
non mamane le तो सलाम के ऑर्गेनिक पेन के कैंडी जिंजर कैंडी ले ला पेन को जिंजर पाउडर ला पेन आसार लाइ का दो वेलो
कोमेंटु बेन सेनाल तुम labang so nalitum la anjok pani labang so men pen nalitum ka selam lo chiu
Nilitum ke anjok pani FPC pen mana farmer producer company.
Okay.
Ahok pet bang
like registration ma.
Registration. Nilitum registered la pen website number ka do ko nilitum sab okay lo. La pen council ben da nilitum han mana NOC nang PL lo. Nilitum ahok pet bang ke MOBCD pule hai. Mission Organic Village Chain Development North Region. La so pen nilitum la so hoi pen nilitum la FPC ke seng lo
training en nam nang ma
training nilitum training ta en la penako nilitum along kodak dak si mane aprang ke claim bari matum along la bang solong chetong dam lo la so adim dam lo la so teng pen nilitum ta mane pangcheng pon lo
non ke goson lo rata tum pen feedback ke nalitum la bang so selam det
pen bang rat tum bang nang chorol he nilitum nong kaddo kabe farmer bang farok mane bang farok phodo মানে 500 জন ফার্মার দো 500 জন ফার্মার সব অর্গানিক সিক্লেম লো লাসো অর্গানিক পেন সিনিলে তুমলা বংশ বাং পাংচেং পন লো লালো আমাসে
সলন্তে লা
মার্কেটিং গে নন মার নিলে তুম উমান লা পেন কাতার আন নিলে তুম 7-8 টন আন নিলে তুম হানসো বাং পিদুন লং লে la pen la so phina phi bangke ako non het ke dam jong nang lit ta dulum bon ladak amase bayar tum pen ako chingki thulo chetong thulo la pen se ako la bang so bang bayar tum ko antong wang jine la pen lete sa tumi lom tan li tum han guwahati pen ako mane nang hang thulo kom nai mane organic ginger ni tum mane ke paklang ya long kapre long ponji la si derton mane order nang hang
non nilitum ke do banke lake Industries and Commerce Department Karbing Long Thomas Council jasemet alang nitum banke achili hedi production nange paman pon achili quality pencheng lo la banke Dhansri Cluster Level Federation lapu ke beleg beleg ma o lapu banke Dhansri Cluster Level Federation latum banke ASRLMD lapen ladake la hanso thek ponlong lo COVID lo ni nang limen ko pilo lo pen nang ni tum ko pipia sai lo pini ke deng pon
nilimen ke kabita rong pharpi nili tum pini ke deng pon ke nili tum la rong nilitum rong sor katiki hana chili la haisi nilitum bangke preservation ke kori organic he nilitum seed bank do la bangke Dhansri Cluster Level Federation office along se Dhansri an se do hala bangke hala dak nanglitum jong se humri dam lo punote non son non ladak do thepa kamu punon thengbon punon lapen bhendi la hai pusita mane organic ke claim rong asor hako phusar phisar tumben ke claim la hai achili se nilitum bangke ako organic way pen nilitum bangke preservation kuribom lase nilitum bangke ke landon do pini nursery ta do nilitum cluster ahin ben ke claim lase la nursery pule puji pusita lal chondon lapen ke kowe claim do anpen mir la hai ta do Assam lemon la hai long ponji lapen ke non pini ke ban bangke lapan ve lo kowe do hansu do
la hai lo lage sa zoom tha la hai ke achili side lo di achili ilitum penang ana inglong hormu jasemet penang ana han ke ilitum ke pawira son ilitum thek ponlong sitame lada cluster wise alang litum dak jasemet Dhansri labangso level federation cluster ahin ben pulote alang litum la bangso inglong ajo la so chili mokha endun po angke alang litum preserve po angke organics way pen alang litum preserve po an se akun alang commercial mate market alang litum jor po lasona taxi jo kaprek ka chili dolablo
actually মোৰ নামটো হল সৌৰভজ্যোতি গোহাঁই মই প্ৰগ্ৰাম মেনেজাৰ হয় চেণ্টাৰ ফৰ মাইক্ৰ'ফাইনেন্স এণ্ড লাইভলিহুডৰ বেসিক্যালি আমি টাটা ট্ৰাষ্টে আমাক ফান্ডিং কৰি আছে টাটা ট্ৰাষ্টৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমি পাৰ্টিচিপেট কৰিছোঁ ইয়াতে এজ এ নলেজ পাৰ্টনাৰ আৰু আমি আপোনাৰ বৰ্তমান অসম আৰু ত্ৰিপুৰাত কাম কৰি আছোঁ এতিয়া অসমত আমি কামৰূপ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টত বিশেষকৈ কাম চলাই আছোঁ আৰু ধেমাজি ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টত আমাৰ কাম চলি আছে আপোনাৰ নন ফাৰ্ম লাইভলিহুড এণ্ড এজ ৱেল এজ ফাৰ্ম লাইভলিহুডৰ ওপৰত আৰু আমি আপোনাৰ ৱাটাৰ হেল্থ এণ্ড হাইজিন তাৰ ওপৰতো আমি কাম কৰি আছোঁ তাৰপিছত আপোনাৰ এডুকেশ্যনৰ
লাজিৰডাত অৰ্গেনিক প্ৰগ্ৰাম লোপতে কাৰ্বি আংলং হেন ল লাডাখ ডিফু পেন ল এলিতুমকে মেইনলি এলিতুমে কাল্টিভেট কে লাহেকে সিংহাসন লং ল সিংহাসন আলাংলি তুম হেন ল মেইনলি কে হদাক সি এনকে 50 মোৰ ফাৰ্মাৰ্ছ তুম দলাং হলা তুম কে ক্লেম বম লাহাই ল
Nilimen Sarbinong Hanse.
Nilimen sonasing ti nili mane men ke claim abang lo nili tum ke hodak he singason along nili mane hanso ta claim mane kadu ka ve ta kem lahai hor musob e methang podang selo e methang tiki podang selo
isibel nili tum ta
la sini tum karbing long live pen sami alang litum hana keru pipa zero la thema litum 2015 and inkan litum ke GI tech samel tum hansu bang chilong lo one district one production amen pen la pen ke wolang amen dudun lo karbing long jasemet singason bote alang litum hello la pen ke production ke ong nai ke litum jerikendeng da do stame jerikendeng long bangka quality sab angni mahin bang sab ka prek do la soposi jasemet singason area production bote hansu ke plang bulote dak pen ke wolalong ta amen litum ke parok jang phong puta pupu anaros puta kosalo pupu karbi benge
parok jang phong sa
parok jang phong ni lalo lasi elitum ke one district one production pulote hansu lo ben hansu ke plang alu na lam tame tum pusar bisar haku open tamil tum ke hansu ke plang alun bote hansu pensili tuma akhai sita me kachirap thedung sita mel tum ke inglong aso putang de lo pot north east ke inglong society lo se karbi inglong stame parok jang phong ke penangan kache thang dulo elitum langdam lo pote koila mati hawar pen chenglok di lasi pini labang so festival long stame parok jang phong mate from village organics pineapple farm ahin pen stame lang litum stame nang chipati people lo lasi ake hai nang li men ke
kardom nili men guldip timung lepen nili rong ke travelang su umpanai area lo apen amri west karbiang lo
ade ko pipi lo nang litum pini nang cepak lang don mangke ko pipi item lo
pini nili tumke la program phone wet la amri pen program phong lo aku la bang nili bari baneli from pen ke wana program phong lo
la from village organic pineapple amen jumi ulu ko na pen lo la so idea ke bang
la so amen kier bang ke nili 2013 aning kan metric to bam hut metric result ka hong domati 2-3 months ka hong do mat basically mi ma pulam lo he amat rong molom program phong rong ni theklong amat athe mesen titi amat sila so hormu bang e adang ke thepa e te chokibon pulam lo he amat ebom lo amat nilta lan kene ang tanan li pu matha the sistame la social media long la whatsapp ba youtube ba facebook long thabom mat chithangbom lo amat nang nat pe lo pro tang e lage from village puthanun bom yalla he mane rong ben segeman be town ben gali yalla the so product is not from town but from village pe yalla amane ba mathalo okay organic to organic lo pineapple to pineapple pakalo masih from village organic pineapple farm po amasila amen irder lo amat la 2 times award kilo pineapple lo hala picture thi longi hulai si bang he labang 2023 best farmer award long lo la pen pening hala kidam ta kan 2025 data ko phongni best farmer award long lo he karbiang long pen
non man ke nana lo la so production ke li
recently ni tum parisi barla gut he labang ke ni tum Kerala Rajasthan Gujarat Delhi labang ke national level lulong lo hai ala pen north east ke la ke every state lo la north east long ke ana state long la supply long thai lo
ningkan sek long kwano nal to male ke chipalong
no no mat ke neli bari ke 50 60 bikha do ye sitame athe kilik long bang ke 30 bikha betlang jase 30 bikha pen 40000 pineapple ke dolo la neli bari lo hai la se ningkan isi pen la aku la the det lagi ke long le mati sir mane la the ta jor long aku la arong jor long mati ha la se la hini jor long mati purte pudam nang 10 lakhs 11 lakhs son long ningkan isi pen
10 lakhs 11 lakhs ningkan sek pen jo lang tha la ke omponai akredit lo de yo tharwe langso omponai tharwe langso lo production lo lang tha 10-11 lakhs jong si long pulo te mata la
athe pen pine 6-7 lakhs baglong po anke rong pen ta ko 3-4 lakhs son long po lason itu aku la so pineapple jat hedi variety do mati masidak itu diphuan tanang palelo aver la son arong he sapling bang he ladak nan tanang nang thon lo diphuan ta bukulia long la sesta po NGO dum do la tumge 20000 30000 pineapple la sapling tak sin gang thum lo lason
and then non mat ke labang so from village organic pineapple farm along kaprek rong be rong thak tum nang chi join nun luma
kalang non aprang nil tum 2013 ba 12 kecheng hut ke ave he itu pineapple du irong rong ni ke chupan seta muri tum lo pan large scale adang ga theklem kle aku market long padule la hem ke chupan chot seta me non ke peju poi after 4-5 years non ke hadak lugo charli tum tala si claim ro ada professor tum tala senang claim tum thailo aprang ni tum ki claim ching hut ke la sartum tanang puiti nang ko pilo la claim nang ponang lu charli ra job claim on pona pun do he ta non ge la tum mata bene program phong nang claim tu na son lo amasi hada ke non ni tum ke nil rong hala tharbelang su pumati seta tharbe belon ke
tharbe banga bela
program phong sai dele amasi non ke hala ni tum area hedi la umpanai tharbelang su belang su pe area do amasi nili rong ke tharbelang su mati seta la dik la belang su rong check pe area do umpanai area la ta pineapple sai dele non ke la si hada ke ni tum samar hut ke more than 4 lakhs pineapple a thelong hada non winter lo he winter bang more than 3 lakhs a thedu pineapple lason lo kadu eta lason se claim thailo he
non ke full season no ma
non full season pineapple la program phong ke season hini do barla hut pulutang ke june july august la 3 months harvest po lage athelo he non winter pulute december january february mane phongni atheli lo non bang lage winter fruit lo ningkang athelo lason
ni tum sampe nang visit ponali phan suri kardom panjir lo de aita
silam heti la pineapple hedi variety do la bang pachning tung lo he non som pe nang lila ke on heti lage some giant queen pineapple lo la pen isi dulang la sojat bang la bang Mauritius variety lo lason si king dulang queen dulang q dulang la khat dulang lason this 5-6 variety do lason
food take you
lage 4 kg do 4 kg tu lah bang.
4 kg.
Kalang. Lala.
Yo, 4 kg.
Kalang.
4 kg lo guys.
Lala.
4 kg.
Assam giant queen pineapple bang lah. Kalang. Kalang.